Where am I hearing these noises? I think I'm. I started this too late. Just sit here and be quiet for a second. Yes, I know those are everywhere. I have a nephew that comes over to my house. So, yeah. He has them placed. I think it's coming from over here. Puppy face. Puppy face butt. Don't look so sad. Oh, don't look so sad. Stop looking sad. No, stop looking sad. No, no, stop it. Stop looking sad. Be happy. Go. Show some teeth. Go. The things I do with my dogs. Charger's over there. Seriously, what was that noise? If you do not tell me, I swear I'm going crazy. I already am past insane, so, this is actually kind of normal, but I swore I heard it was like a kitten. It was exactly in those orders, like same like length and everything. It's not to say distance, and I think it came from puppy faces. But usually, if he does it, he like goes over and smells. But he didn't smell, so it might have came from a sad, depressed doggy. No, if you'd come over and sit with me, you wouldn't be so depressed. I do this to him every day. I just basically, pick him up and just, hold him. I just, go like this and hug him and, all that. And, as much as I can, because I know he's a depressed doggy. He is a depressed doggy. Depressed doggy. Okay, well, he's a stuck-up dog. That's what it is. He's not depressed, he's stuck up. This must be on camera. This is paparazzi. Oh, too close. Up it up. Oh, right in the nose. Oh, eyeball. I can't even see you. Freaking eyebrows, man. For a dog. Paparazzi. Paparazzi. I don't know. I heard some strange noises. And, yeah. Oh, great. My phone's gonna be going off all night, and I won't be able to sleep. Plus, I got the sunburn. My back and shoulders, so yeah, you guys. Yeah. And a little bit right here. Gotta make sure it's still recording. I'll at least put the hat on so I look a little normal. Why'd I do that? I know I can't see myself.